Want to watch NFL Plus on your TV instead of just your phone? In this quick guide, I will show you exactly how to stream NFL Plus games on the big screen. By default, NFL Plus live games are available on mobile and tablet only, but you can still watch replays, highlights, and NFL Network live on your TV. On a smart TV, Fire TV, Roku, or Apple TV, go to the App Store, search for the NFL app and install it. Open the NFL app, go to Settings, and select Sign In. You'll get a code. Enter it at nfl.com/activate on your phone or computer. Then sign in with your NFL Plus account. When signed in, go to Games or NFL Network in the app to watch replays, live NFL Network programming, and other NFL Plus content on your TV. If you want to watch live games on your TV, you can mirror your phone screen using your Play on iPhone or Chromecast on Android. Just start the stream on your phone, then cast it on your TV. And that's how to use NFL Plus on your TV. If you found out this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.